Here are some tips to help you through the process. Hopefully, a good review will identify questions and clarifications that will help both of us. So let's get started by confirming the accuracy of the basics. Double check the names, addresses, and social security numbers for everyone. Pay special attention to dependents that are age 17 or younger and your last names if you're recently married or filing for divorce. Then confirm the filing status is correct. This has to be right or the wrong tax table will be used. Pay special attention if you're unmarried with children or are filing separately from your spouse. Then look at the total income line. Is this amount accurate? If not, compare wages, interest, and investment income with your tax forms. Now, take a deep breath. You just confirmed the biggest area of the tax return and the area that's a real pain to fix if filed incorrectly. Now you're going to focus on any adjustments made to your income. Most tax returns will not have many lines entered in this area, but you should understand each of them. Here are the most common. Educators, look for your classroom expense deduction. Self-employed, look for your deductible self-employment tax. Contributors, check for contributions to health savings accounts, retirement plan contributions, and direct contributions to charity if you're not itemizing deductions. Students, check possible student loan interest. And divorcees, check for accuracy in any alimony or child support claims if they apply to you. The next part of your review is going to focus on other things impacting your tax. This includes mentally noting whether you're taking the standard or itemized deduction approach. If standard, do the math. If itemized, review your Schedule A for accuracy. Then, spend some time reviewing any other activity in this area of the 1040. If you see areas of entered credits, ensure you have a general understanding of what they are and why you qualify for them. This is especially true if you have children, as there are child tax credits, earned income tax credits, and dependent care credits. Any other entries in this section should be understandable. If in doubt, ask for clarification. Now it's time to confirm the accuracy of the balance of your tax return. Double check your withholding amounts, any estimated tax payments, and any refund carryovers. Next, confirm any other entries on the balance of the tax form. And finally, if due a refund, ensure your instructions are properly documented on your tax form and double check any bank account used for auto deposit. It's almost always a good idea to pull out last year's tax return and compare it to this year's return. Notice any major changes and understand why the change applies to this year's return. To recap, review the basics. Confirm adjustments to income. Look through deductions, credits, and tax owed. And pay attention to the balance of the return. If everything looks good, sign your e-file approval and send the form back so we can file your tax return. Without a signature, your return cannot be submitted and your tax return is not deemed filed by the IRS.